Today we're going to show you how to connect wireless Android Auto into your Subaru Outback. Now if you have the same infotainment screen, it will be the same no matter what, but let's start on the screen. So you've got this little phone icon down in the bottom right corner, and then you're going to click Add under Manage Devices here. So this is when we'll go back to the phone. So you'll see the Settings menu, so go ahead and click Settings, and then the first one down here is going to be Connections, and then you'll see the third one down is going to say Bluetooth. So go ahead and select Bluetooth. And now the vehicle will always be at the bottom of your Bluetooth menu. So we see Outback down here. So go ahead and select Outback. Then you'll get a pin on the screen and on your phone. So if that matches, go ahead and select Pair. Now it'll say that it's connected, so allow access to messages, you can allow that, or allow access to contacts, you can allow that as well. And then you can start Android Auto by clicking Yes. Now, once that pairs, it'll pull up the Android Auto for you wirelessly. So what that means is you can have your messaging, your Google Maps built into there, all that good stuff, which makes it really easy for when you're out driving around. So we'll go ahead and select Android Auto, and it's all going to be built right into here, whether it's your music, the maps, or anything else, like I said, so you don't have to use your phone. It will just link and connect every time you get in the vehicle.